Love. So for this video, I am going to share with you my unboxing and storytelling about this beautiful bag from the Louis Vuitton Spring Summer collection, and this is called the Louis Vuitton OnTheGo in Sunrise Pastel. So go ahead and also check out all of my other bag videos here on my YouTube channel. I have quite a lot. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Hello Fierce Loves, you are back with me, Elizabeth, your girl with a fierce style, and I'm super excited to finally do the unboxing of my first ever Louis Vuitton order from the website. So I bought Louis Vuittons before, but this is the first time that I did order from the website, and it was super fast. Backstory, we always have a backstory. So I bought this one on the 7th of June, and then I got an email from DHL saying that it will be delivered on the 8th of June, which is the next day. That's super fast. I wasn't able to unbox this yesterday, June 8th, but today, June 9, I am doing it because I have to use it tomorrow, June 10, on my awesome vacation with my mom for her birthday. It's a very special birthday. It's like, should I say 20th birthday? I'm joking. This bag is super me, and you would see why, because you know I love colorful ones. Well, I may like classics, but my heart really goes to the colorful ones. That's why we have lots of color in this room. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and I'm just gonna unbox it while I chit chat. More stories. Louis Vuitton always come out with their seasonal items. This one is for the spring summer of 2022. The one that they have released for the previous years are very beautiful, also breathtaking, amazing. But I passed on them just because I'm not really a fan of Louis Vuitton, even though I really like the previous spring summer prints. It's super me too. I love those pastel colors. This one I just cannot pass on. I also put on my Louis Vuitton profile, like on the favorites. I add on the 𝒾𝑔𝑽 set for this. They have a lot, and I will show them here on the screen. Never Full, OnTheGo, and just so much more. Even bathing suits and scarves, some wallets, and a cosmetic pouch too. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Ooh. Alright, so when you order to Louis Vuitton, I did a Europe website, so it goes like this. Okay, and well, I put on the card, and did I put a note here or here? I'm actually not sure. Let's just see if it's here. Because there's an option for you to put a note, and then no, not this one, not this one. And I put a different note. Well, I planned to buy my mom a Louis Vuitton bag, but I prefer that she choose by herself when we go to a Louis Vuitton store somewhere here in Europe. So here's how it goes. Ta-da! This one has the card. I actually put here a special one, but it's something that I wanted to give to my mom on her birthday. If we will not be able to buy Louis Vuitton yet, at least I have the card already. We have the return label if change your mind. And it says right here, this one reads, Louis Vuitton. Thank you for shopping at Louis Vuitton. Our products are crafted by experienced artisans with the finest materials. We wish you a fantastic journey with your new product. To discover the services we offer, please visit your My LV account and download the LV app to enjoy added benefits. LouisVuitton.com. Of course, I am pronouncing it not the French way. Probably has to be like Louis Vuitton. I don't know. I'm not French, so I don't want to sound trying hard right here. So I'm just going to say how everybody says it, Louis Vuitton. Alright, so there it says here, exchanges and returns, complimentary exchange or return within 30 days of reception and collection of the item. So that's yesterday. And item must be in perfect condition, in original packaging, and with its receipt and related accessories, instructions, booklets, labels. So all of these have to be returned. No exchange or return for personalized and engraved items. So this is not engraved. There was no option to engrave this anyway, so it's okay. Refunds may take up to 14 days to be processed and will be made to the original purchaser in the original method of payment. So, yeah, those are the stuff that are in here. Hey, this is it. Oh, goodness. I think I should do like this first. Okay, that worked. Alright. So, this is the main box. Just simple, like so. The Louis Vuitton box. And with this blue ribbon. So, just do like this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, because I have been stalking this bag for almost every single day because I already saw this available online on the first time, but I did not check out. Just added it to cart and I was like, and then it was gone right away. Same story as when I got this. I bought it and then when I tried to go back, it's sold out already. It's like saying on the website, call for inquiry, and that means you cannot add it to cart because it's not available anymore. So this might be meant to be for me. Alright, so let's open. Sorry for all of the extra stories because you know how it is when we're excited, we like talk a lot. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Oh, the colors is somewhat different from the website. I think I like the color more in person. Oh my god. That is so stunning. Look at that. I hope that my camera was able to pick up the colors of this beautiful bag. This bag is just so breathtaking. Oh my goodness. And oh my god, I'm lost for words. It's just so stunning. It's really indeed literally a unicorn bag. And for us who are pink lovers, pastel lovers, purple lovers, even mint lovers, this is the bag for us. I really like that the Louis Vuitton logos are large for the front and the back part. And then on the sides, they are smaller, this monogram prints. Just so stunning. At the bottom, oh, it does not have a feet. So I have to be a little bit more careful about that. I really like the handle. It seems super sturdy. It's awesome. Well, a little bit of details about the bag. This will be 25 centimeters and we have 19 here on the length, 11.5 centimeters for the width right here. So of course this bag is called the Louis Vuitton OnTheGo PM bag. The code is M59856 and it's from the Sunrise Pastel collection. Let's go ahead and check it out. I could see that we have a very pretty gold hardware here, gold details right over there also. And okay, so it does not have a proper closure, just this one that you can hook. So we can just unhook that one, this lobster clasp, and then you can open the bag more. And then there reveals the inside. So I could see the beautiful pouch that everybody loves, and it's this one. It's being also sold separately, if I'm not mistaken. Quite expensive for this coin pouch. And the thick and super stunning mint color, mint green strap. It's so pretty that you can also use this for other bags. When I saw this, I was like, wow, I could use that for my other bags and it will look so stunning. So when I saw the videos of this, they were quite happy about the size also, which is pink. And that's so good because I have lots of pink bags, so I could really use this one too. This is just so cute. I really like the details of the coin pouch also. Very nice. And then you have the Louis Vuitton logo over there, and then also over here on the lobster clasp. Amazing, amazing. So the length of the strap will be 35.2 centimeters. And the strap drop, the maximum will be 53 centimeters. So nice. Oh my gosh. Alright, so that's removable and adjustable strap. On the inside, oh my goodness, you could really appreciate the art of this bag because we have those tiny logos. So cute, so stunning. Oh my gosh, this bag is such a work of art. Look at that, so cute. And let me just check, what is this made from? Okay, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. So I have one that's made in France. On the website they said that the reference is either made in France, Spain, Italy, or in the US, and I'm quite lucky because I got the one that's made in France. Perfect. So I could see that we have 2 pockets right here. Let's see what could fit in there. I am not so certain. I have here the iPhone 13. Just the regular iPhone 13. Let me see. No, it does not fit. If you try, then it's really not good enough. It's not. It's a little too wide for it. But my Samsung fits in there. Awesome. Only when it's standing. This is the Samsung Z Flip 3, and then when it's unfolded, it could fit on there, and that's awesome. Okay, so I have a card holder from Chanel. I'm gonna try if that fits. Yeah, that's gonna fit there too. Not a problem if you want it. Of course, it will be much more advisable if you put your valuables in this zipped compartment right here. And it looks like that also. Same as the print of the lining of the bag. Then you can easily just slip in your card holder like so. Much more pretty and much more secured that way. Alright, so I will just do a quick what fits on the bag. I'm not sure. I usually bring my iPad, and I forgot what is the measurements of this one. I am going to put it there. I don't think it's gonna fit. Okay, it would fit if you do it sideways. You know what I mean? Like this way, like it's diagonal in there. But I think that it would actually disrupt the shape of the bag. You see? It went like, it stretched a little bit, so it went like that. And we don't want that, so let's not do it instead. That's a no. If you have iPad mini, then that's not a problem. You can easily fit it in here. A planner, I think that will fit in here, not a problem. I have my Pandora jewelry case, which I'm going to bring for my trip anyway. Passport holder for my Swedish passport. And then, of course, my 2 phones. I can just put them both in there. And my makeup bag. If you wanted to know what's inside this makeup bag, I already did a video, so you can go ahead and check it out. And maybe I will link it on the description bar or at the end of this video also. And there you go. So those stuff fits. It's a little bulky, but I believe like if I fix it more, then yeah, there. And then they fit quite well. So it's just so stunning. So right now I'm wearing a dress, and I am going to show you my shots on how I will be able to wear this, but maybe more shots will be from where I'm going, which is Lithuania and Latvia. So for the weekend until next week for my mom's birthday, I will be in Lithuania and Latvia. So yeah, we're bringing this bag, amazing. And then yeah, we will continue this video soon.